In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect XTB to MetaTrader 5. Now, this is a query that comes up quite often because many traders find MetaTrader 5 to be a popular choice due to its advanced trading capabilities. However, there is a bit of essential information you'll need to know before proceeding. Let's start by addressing the main aspect of this topic. Currently, XTB does not support MetaTrader 5. It's a crucial point that XTB has chosen to use its proprietary trading platform called XStation. Therefore, you won't be able to connect an XTB account to MT5. XTB no longer offers MT5 even as a supported option for its clients. So, if you were hoping to integrate the two, I'm afraid that's not an option. But don't worry, there's an alternative route you can take that allows you to continue trading effectively. Even though MetaTrader 5 has its own set of features, XTB's XStation also provides a powerful trading experience with a wide range of tools that can meet your trading needs. First, you'll need to log into your XTB account. You can easily do this by navigating to the XTB website and entering your credentials. Once you're logged in, the XStation platform is available for you to trade. If you need immediate access to your trades, XStation is available both as a web platform and as a mobile app, allowing you flexibility in how and where you trade. The XStation web platform is intuitive and user-friendly, designed to make it easier for you to follow the markets and place your trades efficiently. It includes a variety of tools and features that offer a comprehensive trading environment. You'll find features such as real-time quotes, an economic calendar, and market analysis tools that can aid your decision-making process just as MT5 would. Similarly, if you're someone who prefers trading on the go, I recommend downloading the XStation mobile app. It offers the convenience of managing your trades from your smartphone or tablet. The app is designed to offer a seamless trading experience with all the essential features you would find on the web platform. Trading directly through XStation means you will harness the full capabilities of XTB's dedicated trading platform, which is designed with the trader in mind. From educational resources to customizable views, XStation aims to provide an environment where you can tailor your trading experience to suit your personal needs and preferences. To sum it up, while it's not possible to connect XTB to MetaTrader 5, you have the opportunity to explore and trade using XStation. This platform provides a rich set of features, ensuring that your trading experience is both comprehensive and flexible.